Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing a quick video for getting the keys for key number 2 for scheme catcher side quest. And if you follow the room, it's in day 9 in the room password cracking Christmas. It tell you at the end of the task, it tell you for those who want another challenge, have a look around the VM to get access to the key for side quest number 2. Number 2, it was released in December 9. Now I have the machine is here. If you remember, we already when we did this room, remember the room is a VM. If you remember, that's the flag or flag.zip. So we did John. So we have John here. I forgot about it. Do you have a full John or just a John? I didn't check this folder when we did the room. Does he has a key pass here? Let's come back to this one. So if I do, we are in home directory of the user Ubuntu. If you do ls -la, the first thing you can see is this file keyboss.kdc. Let's copy that one to the desktop. Copy dot password to, let's copy to desktop, passwords.kdbx, and you can see this one is um, it's a KDBS database. So if I go now to let's leave this one for now. If I go data keypass, if I try to open it, it asks for the password, so we don't have the password yet, so leave that there. So if we need to use Jean to get a hash first, we have Jean, the key pass Jean, and then if I pass it to the password, and I say for example hash.txt file, it tell me please report running Jean the this error, as this you can find this strange error, so we need to run directly from the binary to avoid VM and restriction of snap. uh, we have a John directory. Let's see if I did it in my machine, so let's run. Is there a key pass here? CDF. We have a key pass John here. Okay, so we can do cd run. Yeah, we can just go to run, and then no, not you. What's the name of the file here? We can run straight this binary. Keep us to John, and then with what exactly we need to do? Home. The file is home Ubuntu desktop. We got that password kdx, and then let's do the hash in home Ubuntu desktop. Let's call it hash. We already did hash txt. Let's see if it does work. It does work. So we bypass this error because this one is restricted. You have issue of restriction here, so you can run it from here. Remember when we do this, or you can do this if you want to be smarter. If you don't have that binary of John, you just do find its snap name look for this because you already have it, so it's already installed. But for the VM with restriction, this one is installed somewhere, so you just need to look for it. The null, and it tell you the path, so now we have it. So you can use this one, they already provided for us, or you can use this one directly. You can use this straight path like that, and of course you push the password, and you can just say you can call it keypass hash, for example, .txt, and you get I didn't do that. So you have it both ways. Let's follow the tryhackme one. Let's do cd, go home, this Ubuntu desktop. So now we have the hash that we got, cat hash.txt. Now we can go to John. Again, either you do the binary or do straight John. You don't do the John, the next one, the John the Ripper. You'll get the same problem. You go John, word, hold on, word list equal USR share word this with an s roq.txt, and then give it the hash and wait for it. I think a password is Haru Pita or something. Let's do that. When I did it, I just use it straight in my computer. I use my KeyPass in my computer, and I just open it. This one, a different version. If you put a password, it will tell you that. The version in tryhackme is different version. I think this is the latest one. I think it's Harry Potter or something. Harry Potter. How you spell Harry Potter? Let's see if it does work. No. Harry with a U. How you spell this Harry Potter? Let's wait for it quickly. I forgot the password. I did spell it like that. Interesting. It was with an A the first time. Why I didn't open it? What mean no such file? Where is the file? Now we unlock it. The key advance. You find the key, and if you open it, now you get your key for the room, and that's tit for tat. That's the room, guys. That's a quick way to get a key for KeyPass using John the Ripper. Yeah, thank you very much, and have a good day.